Hello everyone, I am going to break down GBP, JPY, the Nasdaq and the S&P 500 and show you my game plan for today and how I will be potentially looking to enter some trades if it plays out the way I would like it to. So with the Nasdaq, I really don't like price action, man. It's very choppy. Now obviously this zone was a nice zone, but we tapped that on Sunday, right, when market opened. So I'm definitely not entering that trade, right, because I don't enter on Sundays and we're outside stock market hours, and the Nasdaq is just very choppy. So let's get away from this pair or indice, I must say, right? On GBP JPY, we've seen strong bearish momentum, right? We've seen the 4-hour lows be taken out. Now overall, we've seen bullish momentum throughout, right? Especially with the weakness in Japan. A lot of safe haven is not going to Japan. It's been going to gold. It's been going to the heavy metals. So Japan has not been ideal, right? For safe haven, it's not been good with what's happening with the government right now. There's going to be a re-election, a lot of uncertainty with Japan. But recently, in the last couple hours, we've seen strong bearish momentum. Now, as long as we can break below this area of daily support and retest it, I will look for short-term sales targeting a 1 to 2 or a 1 to 3 risk to reward. Now, will I take it down into the next area of support? Maybe, but the thing is, overall, we are bullish, so I don't want to hold a trade for too long for this counter trend trade. Now, obviously, if the daily can break below this level and we can see a full shift of structure, then I'm going to be more confident to hold the trade longer. But let's see how we manage below this level. Now let's go to the S&P 500. The S&P 500 is below. Let's go on the daily area of, bear with me, right, daily area of resistance, and we can see this support. If we can break and retest above this level and maintain above it during stock market hours, I will look for buys. If we can come back below this area of support, I will look for sales. Now obviously, based off the way the weekly closed last week, we saw a strong wick to the downside, and obviously we're bullish overall, and an extra confirmation would be us being above this level for me to buy.